I guess what's happening. How to apply to become a Shein reseller. So to apply to be a Shein reseller, you must partner with Shein as a supplier by applying through their official seller registration portal, providing your business details and ensuring your product or design align with Shein's trendy and affordable brand image. So go ahead to Shein Marketplace. You're going to search for Shein Marketplace on Google. And you're going to go ahead to their first website. Right? Depends really on your region, but go ahead to their official website and start the application process. Okay, get started. And once approved, you can list and sell your products on the platform, leveraging the Seller Hub to manage sales and inventory. So let me know in the comments with this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.